In this video, I will show you how to export your WhatsApp chat and read it. So you are in a WhatsApp chat or conversation and now you want to export the entire WhatsApp chat. Here's how to do it. First of all, go to the WhatsApp chat and then just tap on this three dot and now tap on more and here tap on export chat and now select WhatsApp from this list. And now you have to select contacts in which WhatsApp contact you want to export the chat. I'm selecting this account, for example, and just tapping on next. And here, just tap on send. And now, as you can see, I've successfully exported my WhatsApp chat, and here is the file. Now, all you have to need, just tap on this file and tap on extract, and the file will be extract in your internal storage. Now just open this txt file here, and then here you will find all of your WhatsApp chat for the specific conversation. Here you can see all messages with date and time. So this is how we can export our WhatsApp chat history and read. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.